everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about compound. Okay. In a previous video we had already discussed that about classification of element. That element are divided into three types. First one is metal, non-metal and metal-wide. Okay. And now in this video we will discuss about compound. Okay. So first of all I would like to introduce that what is compound. Those kinds of pure matter, which is produced by the combination of atoms or elements in their definite ratio are called compound or called compound. Okay, what is compound? Those kind of pure matter which produced by the combination of atom and element in their different ratio are called compounds. Okay, let's see an example. H2 plus O2 is H2O2. Okay, H2O 2 gram is to 32 gram. That is 1:16. Okay. This one is the ratio of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, this one is the ratio of hydrogen peroxide. That is 1:60. Okay. Now, Now let's see one more example. Okay, carbon dioxide, CO, C plus O2, CO2. Okay, this one is carbon and this one is carbon dioxide. CH2O, carbon is 12, H2, oxygen 32 gram. Okay, this 3:8. Okay, this one is the ratio of carbon dioxide. Okay, so I hope you understand both examples. Okay, so this one. And now what is the definition of Compound, those kind of pure substance which produced by a combination of atom, or you can also say element. Okay. In their definite ratio. This one is 1:60 and this ratio is 3:8. Okay. Definite ratio are called compound. Okay. So I hope you understand that what is compound. Okay. Now move further. And now let's see the classification of compound. Okay. Classification of compound. Okay, let's see the classification of compound. Classification of compound. A, on the basis of their origin, there are two type of compound. On the basis of their origin, there are two type of compound. First one is organic compound and second one is inorganic compound. Okay. That first one is organic and second one is inorganic compound. Organic compound and next one is inorganic compound. Inorganic compound. Okay. This one is the classification of compound. First, A1 is on the basis of their origin. There are two type of compound. First one is organic and second one is inorganic compound. Okay. And inorganic, for example, you can write CH3COOH. Okay. CH3COOH. This one is ethanic acid. Okay. And HCOOH. This one is HCO. This one is formic acid. Okay, and there are many examples of what? Organic compound. Okay, and now let's see the example of inorganic compound. Okay, let's see some example of inorganic compound. Carbon dioxide, CO2 and many more example of inorganic compound. Okay, so there are two type of compound on the basis of their origin. First one is organic compound and second one is inorganic compound. Okay, and now let's see on the basis of bonding. B and B on the basis of bonding. Okay, the basis of bonding, there are two type of compound. The basis of bonding. There are two type of compound. First one is ionic compound or covalent compound. Ionic compound. Ionic compound, and second one is covalent compound. Covalent compound. Okay. And B1 is on the basis of bonding. There are two type of compound. First one is ionic compound and second one is covalent compound. Okay, so let's see some example of ionic compound. Okay, so let's see some example of ionic compound. NaCl, sodium chloride, okay, and potassium chloride, and many example of ionic compound. Okay, and now let's see the example of covalent compound. Like first one is sulfur oxide, methane, etc. Okay, this one is the example of covalent compound. B1 is on the basis of bonding. There are two type of compound. First one is ionic and second one is covalent compound. Okay, and let discuss see on the basis of on the basis of acidic or basic nature. Okay, there are three type of compound: acid, base, salt. Okay, let's see number on the basis of acidic or basic nature. On the basis of acidic or basic nature, there are three type of compound. There are three type of compound. First one is acid, base, salt. Okay, and the third one is on the basis of acidic or basic nature. There are three type of compound. First one is acid, base, and third one is salt. Okay, on the basis of acidic or basic nature, compound of three types. First one is acid, base, and salt. Let's see example of acid. Okay, HCl. HCl means hydrogen HCl, hydrogen chloride, and many more. Okay, and let's see the example of base. That is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And now let's see the example of salt. NaCl. Sodium NaCl means sodium chloride. Okay, and many example of salt, and this one is basis of on the basis of acidic or basic nature. There are three type of compound. First one is acid, base, and salt. Okay, and B, that is on the basis of bounding. The compound are two type: ionic and covalent compound. Okay, and number A, on the basis of their origin, there are two type of compound. First one is organic compound, and second one is what? Inorganic compound. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is compound and classification of compound. Okay, so let's discuss what is matter. Sure. Okay. Those kinds of substance, which is made up of two or more elements, okay, which are made up of two or more elements, or you can also say compound, or compounds, okay, are called mixture. Okay, what is mixture? Those kinds of substance which are made up of two or more elements, or you can also say compound, are called mixture. Okay. I hope you understand that what is mixture. Those kind of substance which are made up of two or more than or more elements, or you can also say compound, are called what? Are called mixture. Okay, let's see one point related mixture, that it should be noted that each compound of mixture is able to their identify. Okay, is able to identify okay, is able to identify. Okay, so it should be noted that each compound of mixture is able to identify. It means each compound of matter is able to identify. Okay, and let's see some example of mixture. Okay, like air. Air is also a mixture. Okay, example. We know that air is also a mixture. Air. Air is a mixture. Because suppose that this one is air. Okay. Have N2, it have N2, O2, CO2, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other compound traces. Okay, compound traces. Okay, in air present nitrogen, oxygen, and also carbon dioxide, and other compound traces also. Nitrogen is 78%, and oxygen is 21%, and CO2 carbon dioxide is 0.01% in air. Okay, and other compound traces. This one is an example of mixture. Okay, now move further. Kind of mixture. Kinds of mixture. There are two kinds of mixture. First one is homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous. First one is homogeneous and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Okay, there are two type of mixture. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so we discussed type of mixture in next lecture. Okay, so in this video we had discussed about that what is mixture. Those kinds of substance which is made up of two or more elements or compound are called what? Mixture. Okay, and compound. Here is a point that compound of mixture is able to identify. Okay, and we know that air is and this one is and we also see the example of mixture, and we also discussed that about compound. Okay, what is compound and classification of compound. Compound those kinds of pure matter which is produced by the combination of element, or you can also say what atom in their different ratio are called what? Compound. Okay, and we also see examples of compound, and we also discussed about the classification of matter. First one is on the basis of their origin. Compounds are two types. First one is organic compound and second one is inorganic compound. And B, on the basis of bounding. Compound have two types. First one is ionic and second one is covalent compound. And our last C on the basis of acidic or basic nature. Compound have three types. First one is acid, base, and last one is salt. Okay. So I hope you understand whole the video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.